Hi viewers, welcome to Myra Media, and today we are in London Bubbles Company. They are very special in raffles, so let us go and check in what are all there. So viewers, now you can see Blackjack, Master is preparing it, and now you can see he is bhai aap kya cut kar rahe hain?
This is the edges cut it.
Okay.
There is the blackjack brownie waffle.
Okay.
We cut it on the edges, the properly shaped with that.
Okay.
Okay. Then I make it with the blackjack properly. I'll give you the chocolate drizzle with the dark chocolate.
Okay.
With something 2 scoop of ice cream, and
Okay.
again we put it on the dark chocolate, colorful sprinkles, and the chocolate chips and the chocolate sticks.
Okay.
See, this we making right now.
Okay. So what you are going to do? You are going to fold it, right?
Yes, this is the folded.
Okay.
Okay, this is the bubble waffle cone in the brownie blackjack.
Okay.
See.
Okay. You have folded it and you have kept
Okay, and we put it on the icing sugar.
it. Okay. Sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar has added in that.
Okay, and this is the dark chocolate. We spread with that.
Okay, viewers. Now you can see he's spreading dark chocolate. And
This
you
is
can,
the dark chocolate.
Okay.
It's very good and yummy tasty with the black charcoal ice cream.
Okay. It's really, it's very
It's something
tasty.
unique. It's awesome. Great
Okay.
product.
Very nice. And you can see viewers this is the best and tasty product over here, and you can see even sugar and even chocolate.
See, now I'm spread with the dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
This is the proper perfect. See, now I'm put it on the 2 scoop of black charcoal ice cream.
Okay. So now he is even adding ice cream. You can see, guys. He's adding ice cream. Which ice cream you are adding, master?
Black charcoal.
Black charcoal. Okay. So he is even adding black charcoal ice cream.
Yeah.
How many scoops you are going to add?
2 scoop.
Okay, so he's going to add 2 scoops, guys. So 2 scoops of black charcoal,
Black charcoal ice cream.
black charcoal ice cream, and you can see it's looking really yummy, And one more, I can tell you one thing, guys. When
Now we put
he
it
is
again drizzle with the dark chocolate.
okay, now he's adding drizzle with dark chocolate. You can see he's garnishing top, right?
Yeah.
He's garnishing, and look is very nice, and you can even have a look of this.
This is the colorful sprinkles.
Okay. Okay, he is topping with colorful sprinkles, and and even what you are adding.
Chocolate chips.
Okay, he is even adding choco chips in the top as toppings.
And we put it on the one chocolate stick on the standing on there.
Wow, it's really looking very nice. See, you can see the decorated one of really, it's really very good.
It's really yummy and awesome, fantastic.
Okay, and
You
this
come
is available in London Bubbles Company actually,
Yeah,
and this opened very recently. They have got all kinds of waffles, and what all waffles are available here? The specials actually.
We have the bubbles waffles and the pocket waffles.
Okay.
We have a pocket waffles of the 3 varieties.
Okay.
The pocket waffle we have a normal serve,
Okay.
and the exotic waffles and the waffwich.
Okay.
Exotic, it's basically they come with the pocket waffles. Inside we spread with the chocolates
Okay.
and the Cadbury Crunch with that inside.
Okay.
And the waffwich we serve with the pocket waffles. Inside we spread with the chocolate
Okay.
with the 1 scoop of ice cream.
Okay.
This is something new, amazing, good taste with that. And the specialty of the bubble waffle,
Okay.
we spread with the chocolate and the 2 scoop of ice cream
Okay.
with something colorful sprinkle, chocolate chips and chocolate sticks.
Okay.
This is very crispy and awesome, very good taste.
So all Hyderabadis need to come and taste in London company Bubbles. Why?
London
Because
Bubble Company,
London
yeah,
Bubble
right.
Company. Why? Because as he said, they have got different kinds of tasty ice creams, and this really looking
It's
wonderful
very yummy,
actually.
yeah.
And I think who is the lucky one who who's tasting this one will even take review of them. Thank you, Master Ji. Thank you very much.
Most welcome, most welcome.
Sir, hi sir, how are you?
Hi, I'm great. What about you?
I'm great, sir. And like you are having ice cream, so how about this ice cream?
Actually, I like the ice cream, man. I didn't find this flavor anywhere.
Okay.
And this decoration is also fine. I loved it.
Even I have seen the preparation of this ice cream. Actually, when Master Chef is doing that, really my mouth was watering, and you know, you are tasting it. So I think this is the best ice cream over here. And regularly you visit the place?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in this one, which one you like the most?
I like the ice cream really.
Okay, you like the ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. And how about yourself, sir?
Yeah, the presentation is quite good. I mean, the way of presenting the ice cream is very, very good, and the taste is awesome. I mean,
Okay. So finally, taste and everything, you know, presentation and everything is very awesome. Overall, it is very good. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And thank you. Enjoy your ice cream. So viewers, and now I have bubble chai in my hand, and you know, you can see this. It's really, you know, color is really superb, and this is awesome. My mouth is watering like anything. So now I'll taste it. It's really awesome, you know. It's really refreshing, you know, guys. And I can taste, you know, small bubbles inside, and wow, it's fantastic, you know. So viewers, now we have Mr. Rajesh, owner of London's Bubbles Company, and as you know that this is the best waffles store. So we'll ask a few questions. Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, thank you. I'm good.
And sir, I think this is the best waffle store in Hyderabad, and you have opened in Jubilee Hills, and a lot of people, you know, they are really loving it, and even we have seen the specials and everything. They are really awesome. So how about you got this idea of establishing this kind of waffles in Hyderabad?
So actually, I have tasted this London Bubble Co in Mumbai. So when I went to Mumbai, I have tasted the waffles there. So I really liked them. So I just wanted to bring the same brand to Hyderabad, because in Hyderabad we have few waffle places, but none of them are serving such a great bubble waffles in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So I really like them. So I wanted to bring them to Hyderabad and introduce our Hyderabad people.
Okay.
And as you know, like Hyderabad has a good nightlife, so we expected people will like to have
Waffles in the
waffle
night
with ice creams in the night time. So
Okay.
I thought of bringing it to Hyderabad.
Okay, very nice. And I think like after establishing this, like you know, how is the response from the customers?
Our response is good, very good. So we started on last Saturday with the 2 rupee waffle campaign. So we had very good response even for the inaugural offer. So we served almost 700 waffles in the weekend.
Okay.
So even on Monday, on the weekday, the response was pretty good yesterday. And even now, as you can see, a lot of customers, even in the Tuesday, in the mid of the day, we see a lot of customers who are coming out the store. And most of them are liking our waffles and shakes and iced teas. So we are getting pretty good response.
Okay, sir. So how about establishing this waffle store in some other branches in Hyderabad actually?
No, yeah, we were looking for good locations. So we haven't yet finalized any location. We are still, because we want to open in a prime area and with a good infrastructure and good interiors. So we don't want to compromise at that part. So we are looking for
looking
to
for a
open
good
in
locations.
Himayatnagar and Gachibowli would be our next store. So we are waiting for good locations.
So all the good luck to you, Rajesh sir. Thank you very much for the opportunity of your valuable time. And what you'd like to tell all of the viewers, like who are all watching our channel actually?
Okay guys, this London Bubble Co, please come and try our waffles, because this is something new we bought to Hyderabad, and I'm very sure like you will definitely love our waffles. So please do visit our store at Jubilee Hills Road number 10. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So viewers, this was all about London's Bubbles Company and Mr. Rajesh, owner of London's Bubbles Company, and this is the best, you know, like store. And waffles you can try in Jubilee Hills now, and further in future they will be having more branches, and definitely this is an 100% successful concept. So each and everyone, please visit London Bubbles Company in Jubilee Hills, and thank you all. Signing off, this is Peddi K. Ishwar, and you are watching Foodies Myra Media. Thank you.
Hello viewers, please subscribe to Myra Media.